Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a quick guide on how to fix the Duolingo owl from being broken. Now the first solution is to have Super Duolingo. If you have Super Duolingo, you can enter the app and tap on the right hand corner where you can see the Super Duolingo owl. Upon pressing it, you can change your app icon to the Super Duolingo owl, and as you can see on the home page, this is what it'll look like. Now the second method involves gaining a streak. Once you gain a large enough streak, you can actually enter the Streak Society, and you can earn rewards such as new icons. Now, if you change the app icon to the fiery owl, your Duolingo icon will turn into the fiery owl. There's actually a third method, though it's not really a real method, but on iOS, you can actually 3D touch the owl and then change it to the bigger icon, which kind of provides a solution, but the owl is now dead. Now we can always change it back, but the owl will still be broken. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.